Bulgaria's Orthodox Church is raising eyebrows after electing a pro-Russian clergyman as its new head. 52-year-old Danil was elected as patriarch in a vote that reflects divisions within the Bulgarian Orthodox Church since the Russian invasion of Ukraine. Pro- and anti-Russian factions have been butting heads within the senior Bulgarian clergy since 2019, after the Orthodox Church of Ukraine was recognized by the Ecumenical Patriarch in Constantinople. Unlike his predecessor, Danil has taken the side of the Moscow Patriarchy in its dispute with the Ecumenical Patriarch over the independence of Ukraine's Orthodox Church.
Той ще се опита да възстанови мястото и така достоинството на българската патриаршия именно като посредник между Вселенския и Руския патриарх.
Да работи добре, както до сега църквата била добре, така да продължи да обединява църквата, да обединява хората.
The Ecumenical Patriarch is regarded as the representative and spiritual leader of Eastern Orthodox Christians worldwide. His move formalized the split of the Orthodox Church in Ukraine from the Russian Church. However, Russian and most other Orthodox patriarchs refused to accept this.